Hi, I'm Tyler Luthringer. I'm an orthopedic surgeon here at CONA, specializing in shoulder and elbow surgery as well as hand and upper extremity. I'm originally from upstate New York and did my medical school at Rush University in Chicago before going down to New York City to do my orthopedic surgery residency training at the NYU Hospital for Joint Diseases. From there, I went over to Philadelphia for a year to do a shoulder and elbow fellowship at the Rothman Orthopedic Institute, where I got to spend an entire year focusing on all aspects of shoulder surgery, including adult reconstruction, arthroscopy, and trauma procedures. And after that, I decided to do a second fellowship year in hand and upper extremity surgery, and for that I went back to Rush in Chicago. While originally from upstate New York, my family has since moved down to the South Carolina area, and very excited to kind of be rejoining them with my wife and two sons. When we were growing up north, I spent a lot of my time ski racing actually up in Vermont and New Hampshire, and through those experiences came to suffer a number of upper extremity injuries, which resulted in me having to have a total of 4 different shoulder surgeries. So my path in medicine and orthopedic surgery and shoulder and upper extremity surgery has really been a personal experience for me, and I'm really excited to share that with my patients.